Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. It's me again, Christoph Andrew. For today's vlog, we're going to unbox a bunch of the Monsters Space Adventure. So I'm so excited to share it with you because these are old collections of the monsters. So what are we waiting for? Let's do the unboxing now! So we have a bunch of the Monsters Space Adventures for today's vlog because the reason why these collections are hard to find now, and surprisingly I saw this one as available in the PopMart website, and the first thing that or the first purchase that I made is only 10 pieces and 10 pieces boxes, and there's no available set. So I took the chance to take that 10 pieces, and then later on the next day there's another 10 available. That's why I decided to get the 10 because I want to complete the 12 figures of this collection. So probably we will be able to get a duplicates from this lineup. So I'm going to open those boxes at the bottom part, and I'm going to show first the art card before tearing the foil, so that I won't going to open the duplicates and sell them in my online shop. So let's start the unboxing of the first box, and let me show it to you first how beautiful the artwork of this one. It looks like Labubu is white here. He looks like a rock and roll guy or girl. I don't think, because uh, they are genderless, I believe. So these are the lineups. They have 12 confirmed figures, which is the Labubu Captain, Zimomo Beast, Labubu Star Killer, Spooky Emperor, Pato Princess, Labubu Professor, Labubu Space Alien, Yaya Robot, Spooky Emperor Soldier, Taikoko Aliens, Labubu Wizard, and this is the Labubu Warrior and the Secret. So I don't know how much is the probability of this one. And yeah, the old figures of Labubu or the old box are small, better or smaller than the new figures now. So yeah, let's see if we are able to get our prios from this lineup. Of course, I wanna get the Labubu Warrior and the Labubu Captain. I like Zimomo Beast, Labubu Star Killer, of course, and Labubu Wizard. And I like Pato as well. Pato Princess. Pato or Peto? I'm not sure. So let's see. Let's start with this first box. I'm so excited because this will be my first time to have this collection, and I want to complete all the figures or the characters from this lineup. For the first figure, I'm going to open the foil before the art card, and for the succeeding ones, we're going to see or show the art card first. So let's see our first figure. One, two, three, go! Oh, the one that I really like. The one in the with this transparent helmet. He looks like an astronaut. Very cool. Surprisingly, they are cute. So this is the art card. We got the Labubu Star Killer. Look how beautiful. The illustration of this one, Space Adventures. So this is the I guess this is the stand. It looks like a flame or smoke coming out from the, I'm not sure if this is like a spaceship or what do you call that one? The ones going up? The ones that going up. Okay, I don't know how to fix this one. So maybe okay, you have to insert this smoke flame coming out from this spaceship or space shuttle at the back. Look how beautiful! It's like he's going up in the air. I really like this one. It's so cool. Very cool figure. I like the astronaut uniform of Labubu here. I'm not just so sure if this one is removable or not. I don't know. I don't like to take my risk because I don't like to uh, destroy the figure. But I really like this one. And I'm happy that we unboxed the first figure that I really like. Look how beautiful. I just have to fix this one. He looks like flying in the air. So, what can you say about the first figure that we unboxed now, the Labubu Star Killer? Please comment down below. So, let's proceed now with our second box. So, let's see. This time, I'm going to show first to you the art card. Let me remove first the foil. And our second figure, one, two, three. Oh, we got Yaya Robot. So, this one's not a duplicate. I'm going to clear the foil and show to you Yaya Robot. One, two, three, go. Well, surprisingly, I'm surprised that this one looks so small. Like, the head is so big, but the body is so small. Like, I'm not sure what can I say about this one. It's so silver. It looks like a metal one, but it's not. I really like that they contrast the gold and the silver with the red eyes of Yaya. Yeah, it reminds me of R2D2. I really like this, like a controller at the back. It's so simple. It's very robot to me, but I'm not sure if I'm gonna like this one. So I'm gonna sit this one for a while and cherish the the moment that if I'm going to like this figure. But what can you say about Yaya Robot, guys? You can comment down below. Let's proceed now with our third box. So let's see. Okay. I'm so excited with our next figure, but I'm gonna remove first the foil and I don't wanna see any spoiler. I wanna keep this one. Let's see. Where's the art card? Oh! We got the Labubu Space Alien. So this one is not a duplicate so far. And this is the stand. Let me show you. One, two, three. Yeah, the frog looking Labubu. Yeah, it's very alien type. I really like the pink, I'm not sure, the pink horns of Labubu here. It's very alien like. So let me show you the stand. We have this stand and it looks like a rock and just sitting here like this, like a frog. Very, unique figure. I am not sure why they make Labubu as a frog here, though this one is like a space adventures. So outer space, you might see, a different or unique characters outside the Earth. So I guess this one represents Labubu. So what can you say about the Labubu space alien? Please comment down below. Proceeding with our fourth box, and this one's quite heavy and full. So I'm so excited. I just hope we won't get a multiple duplicates, but I'm expecting to get one. So let's see. This one's very full figure. So if this one's full figure, we might get, it's either Pato or Zimomobis. Or the Rockstar, which is Labubu Warrior. So let's see. Okay. The art card. One, two, three. No, we got the Wizard. Look, it's beautiful art card. So let's see. And this is the inclusion, like a. I'm not sure if this is like a. What do you call this one? Uh, like a. I'm not sure. I forget that word. One, two, three. I like this. Look, this quite, you know, beautiful. I believe this lighting sparks like that. So let's see. Let me put, oh, it's like a power of the wizard. Like, reminds me of Zazam. This is like the logo of Zazam, right? If I'm right. And you have to insert this one here. Oops, and I dropped the other figure. Oh, it's so hard to insert. And let me find the other lighting power of the wizard. And let me insert this one. This one's quite hard to insert because it's so small. Like, you really have to dig deeper and press more to. Yes! Yeah, I really like this one. It's so cool. Like a beautiful wizard look. The dress of the wizard here. It's like a galaxy sky. And I like the purple dress and the hat. Very Merlin type. And the eyes of Simomo here is like, it's like quite possessed because of the red one. Yeah, I really like this one. Very cute. I like the softness of this material. So, what can you say about the Wizard of Labubu? Please comment down below. Going on in on our fifth box, and this one's very light. So let's see. And the art card, one, two, three. Yeah, it's not a duplicate, and we got the Spooky Emperor. So let's see. One, two, three. Our fifth figure. Yes. Yeah, it reminds me of the Emperor because of this, like a beard and the mustache. And I really like the eyes is different colors like green and blue. And he really looks like, it reminds me of a dumplings, a dumpling one. And if you can see closely, the yellow dress inside is like pearlescent finish. And it's so simple, not quite my favorite, but yeah, it's a big or additional collection that really completes the set. So there's an inclusion here. I guess he's holding a wand, a gray wand, and this is the stand. Let me put the wand first. What I really don't like about these inclusions are so small and sometimes don't fit well. Just like this. It doesn't fit well. Look. So you really have to look for something that uh, like a glue, or you have to, yeah, it's so hard to insert. Yeah, like that. And you really have to, you might miss the small inclusions like this. And yeah, so we completed the figure. And let me show you closely. What I like about this one is only the dress because it's pearlescent finish, and the face, it's like a dumpling with this blush. So what can you say about the Spooky Emperor? Please comment down below. Moving on with our next box, and let's see who will be the next figure. The foil first, and the art card. Where's the art card? Here. One, two, three. Oh, Taikoko Aliens. So yeah, we don't have this one yet. And yeah, I actually like this one. You know that I like a very unique figure, and there's a lot of details going on here. Like Coco has these four hands. I like the dress. It's very detailed one. I like this armor, like like a bomb that you have to push, and like Coco will be blast, and it reminds me of the color of Frankenstein. It's green. I like this one actually. It's just so small compared to the other figure. So this is the art card. There's an inclusions here. a lot of small inclusions that, I don't like. So you have to be careful and always check your box because you might miss something. And these inclusions are hard to find. Let me put him on the stand first and put all the things that he's holding, like the shield. He's holding the shield, and I'm not sure if this is like a wand or a calisthenics, or I don't know what you call this rod, but it's not fitting in that much, and I drop it again. Well, this is the hard part of having small inclusions. So I'm not sure why this one, and we really have to get a nice glue to fix it. Then again, I really like this one. Really, really love. It's cute. It's adorable. It's so different. So what can you say about the Taikoko aliens? You can comment down below. Let's go with our seventh box. But before proceeding, let me give you a recap. We have the Labubu Star Killer, Spooky Emperor, uh, Labubu Space Alien, Yaya Robot, Taikoko Aliens, and the Labubu Wizard. And we're still missing the Labubu Captain, Zimomo Beast, Pato Princess, Labubu Professor, Spooky Emperor Soldier, and the one in the cover, which is the Labubu Warrior. If we are able to complete all these figures without the duplicates, we're gonna end the we're going to end the video because it's complete already, and I don't like to open another duplicate. So let's see our seventh figure. I just hope we are able to complete it. Okay. Oops. The art card. Oh, we have this one. So let me put it back here. Our first duplicate. And we're going to proceed with the next box. I just hope. Don't give me another duplicate, please. We got our first duplicate. And this is our seventh figure. And we got the Pato Princess. Our seventh figure is slowly completing the set. And yes, she's so beautiful actually. Very cute, very adorable. I like the purple pink color of the hair and the cape. It's very princess type. I like the crown. There's a lot of like a different colors of stones with the golden one. Yeah. Is there's any okay, there's inclusion here. We have this inclusion. She has this scepter. It's so cute. Let me put her on the stand. Oops. Okay. Oh, why it's so hard to put her on the stand? And maybe I'm okay, that's why. I put her on the other way around and the scepter and another small piece that it's hard to insert. Oh, I told ya, this one's so hard. Ah, yeah, we got it. And we got the Pedo or Pato Princess, a beautiful one. What can you say about this figure? Please comment down below. Let's go with our 8 box. And I'm so excited. We're missing 5 figures. Our foil. And the art card. 1, 2, 3. Oh! Zimomo Beast! Yes! I really like this one. I really love the art card. There's some like a glossy finish on the branding. And we have the beautiful one, Zimomo Beast with these angel-like wings. Like she is an Hawaiian girl. I'm not sure if she or he. Zimomo is a he or a she. He's a he, I believe. And I like the details at the back. I guess this is my top favorite so far. He's so cute. I like the wings. It's so clean and detailed. And with this Hawaiian skirt, what can you say about the figure, guys? You will definitely like this one. Please comment down below. Let's proceed now with the next box. Our, like, is it 9? 9 or 8? Maybe 10, because the other one is a duplicate. So, our next figure, where's the art card? Where's the art card? Oh, it's here. 1, 2, 3. Oh! Our second duplicate, Labubu Wizard. And let me put him back in the box. And let's proceed with the next one. And we have the 2 duplicates so far. Okay. And our third duplicate, Labubu Star Killer. I told you we're going to have multiple duplicates this time because these are single boxes and I just want to complete all of them. That's why I risked all my chances. And next figure, I know it's another duplicate. It's Spooky Emperor. What is this? Are we able to complete the set or not? I hope. Please give me a new one that it's not in the duplicate side. Okay. Oh, yeah. This is not a duplicate Emperor. Spooky Emperor Soldier. Nice. Let me show you. Wow. I really like this one as well. It's so pearlescent. It's like, it's like another robot from this collection. And I just noticed Pop Mart casing here at the back. And I really like the neon eyes of this one. Very cute. Is there's an inclusion? Nothing inside. So this is it. This is the Spooky Emperor Soldier. I really like this figure as well. Very pearlescent dumplings. What can you say about this figure, guys? Please comment down below. So guys, next box, and before we proceed, we're still looking for what's still missing? The Labubu Professor, the Labubu Warrior, 24689. So we're still missing 3. And of course, the Labubu Captain and the Secret. So let's see. 3 missing figure and the Secret. Are we able to get a secret from this collection? What do you think, guys? I'm not sure who's the secret here. Anyway, our next figure, I hope it's not a duplicate. 1, 2, 3. Oh! We got these 2 dupes! Labubu Wizard, what the heck? We have 2 Wizard, though it's cute. Definitely easy to sell because that one is cute. Next box. Oh no, I'm so nervous that we weren't able to complete the set. Next one. Yeah, the Professor. We don't have this one yet. And I'm happy it's not a duplicate. Yes. It reminds me of Albert Einstein. Right? I really like the detailed gray hair of Albert Einstein. Like an old guy, an old professor. I really like this figure. Definitely cute. And I guess this is my first time to see a gray hair Labubu. What can you say about this one, guys? Very cute one. Please comment down below. Let's go with other box. And we're missing this one. The one that I like. Actually, the 2 that I really like. And I don't know if we are able to complete this. Please, let's complete this series. 1, 2, 3. What the heck? Another duplicate. We have these 2 duplicates now. Like we have a lot of duplicates. So let's see our next box. Oh, I see the card and we got this one. Labubu Captain. Wow. Let's see. What the heck? Are we gonna miss the one in the cover? So this is, yeah, that's why I really like this one. He looks like the superhero. And there's no inclusions here. Yeah, nothing at all. So the usual superhero wearing this red outfit with this black mask, very cute figure with these wings like an airplane wings at the back. It's golden design. I really like the color combination of this one. Very superhero type. What can you say about the Labubu Captain? Please comment down below. So guys, we are down to the last box and let's see if we're able to get this one or the secret. Not another duplicate, please. So let's see. Okay. Our next figure. Oh, another dupes! Spooky Emperor! It's so sad. Let me put it back here. Sad and sad that we are missing the one in the cover. So guys, it's so sad that we are not able to complete the set and we don't have a secret. So let me show you closely and let me get back to you and rearrange the one that I really like from this collection. So guys, this is the final lineup of what we unboxed for today's vlog, the Monster Space Adventures, and we had these roller coasters unboxing because we get or unbox a lot of duplicates because these are old collections. I'm just taking my chances to complete the set. So I'm gonna find or I'm gonna look the one in the cover, the Labubu Warrior. So guys, if you know someone that has this Labubu Warrior, let me know and comments down below. The front ones are my favorites and they are so beautiful and adorable. And of course, the back figures are the support ones. So if you have other favorites rather than mine, you are free to comment down below. And if you had fun watching this vlog, please like and share this video and don't forget to click the notification bell so that you will be notified on my new and upcoming vlog. If you're still not my subscribers, please do subscribe guys and help me reach the 1,000 subscribers so that I will continue giving you fun and unboxing figures. So once again guys, thanks for watching. Bye!